Welcome guys to the last question on our list that we're solving in this product of prime. Question number 4 says find the product of a prime of 140, 120, and 80, right? So to find the product of a prime, we use our factor tree to find the product of a prime. Okay, so we'll start with the first one, say solution. We'll say solution, we'll say the first one, which is A. We'll say the 140, right? Now we draw our factor tree, right? So here the secret behind this, which two number I can multiply to get what 140, which two number I can multiply to get what 140. If you look at this question, if you multiply 10 times 14, you're going to get what 140, right? 10 times 14 will give you a 140, but it's not only 10 times 14, you can also have 70 times 2 to get you 140, right? So you can use any of them, you will still get the same answer, but the easier one I can use is 10 times 14, right? As you use here, 10 times what 14. If I multiply 10 times 14, will give me what 140. So the next thing is that the secret here is we want to change all these numbers to prime numbers, right? We want to change all these numbers to what a prime numbers. So since 10 is not a prime number, and also 14 is not a prime number, so we have to make it a prime number. So since 10 is not a prime number, we draw a factor tree on a 10, we draw a factor tree on what 14. So which two number we can use to multiply to get 10? We have 2 times what 5, we get 10, and to get 14 we have 2 times what 7. Now this question, you're noticing that 2 is a prime number, 5 is a prime number, and 7 is a prime number, so definitely we stop here. So we're saying that the answer for this question is this. These are the answer, right? So we have the product for prime will be 2 times 2 times 5 times 7. Don't, the other arrangement doesn't matter. Here you can start with 7, you can start with any of them first, right? Once it's multiplication, because 2 times 3 can give you 6, 3 times 2 can also give you 6. So the order of arrangement is not important in this case, right? So if we multiply all of them, we'll know that we get what 440, right? We get what 140. You can also put this particular answer in what index notation. In index notation, right? You can convert index notation. Index notation has a great impact on this problem. You can use it to what or reduce the size of that problem, right? Since we're having two twos here, we can reduce it and only put one, right? Since we're having two of it, we can make it one square. This square indicating that we have two of it, right? So times. Since 5 only having one, we bring our 5 down, and 7 only having one, bring our 7 down. Also, we can take this or you can take this, right? Either of them is correct. Now let's go to B. The B part of our question says 120. We find our product of a prime. We see the 12 times 10, right? 12 times what 10 can give our 120, right? But 12 and 10 that is not a prime number. But first, do you know what is a prime number? A prime number is a number that can be multiplied by 1 and itself, right? In your short terms. Now the secret to define a prime number, if you want to know if that particular number is a prime number, you have to exclude one. If you're saying that if I exclude one, or if I remove one, which number can I multiply to get that particular number? Let's say for instance 5, right? Apart from 1, we have any number that we can multiply by 5 to get 5? It's no, it's only 1. So definitely 5 is a what or prime number. Let's try 7. Apart from 1, we have any number that we can multiply to get 7 apart from 1? No. So only 1, right? So this is how you determine your prime numbers, right? So but we know we have many numbers to get 12, right? 4 times 3 can give you 12, and 12 times 1 give you 12. So definitely 12 is not a prime number, right? So draw our prime factor 3 here. Draw prime 10 is also not a prime number, right? Because 5 times 2 and 10 times 1 can give you 10, right? So we say which two number we can use to multiply to get 12? We say 4 times 3, and 10 we say 5 times 2. But in this our question, we know that 5, 2, and 3 they are our prime numbers, but 4 is not a prime number because 2 times 2 can give you 4, and 4 times 1 can give you 4. So 4 is not a prime number, so I do my factor 3 for 4, which is be 2 times 2, right? So 2 is a prime number, right? So we'll stop there. So your answer for this will be 4 times 3 times, sorry. Your answer for this will be 3 times 5 times 2 times 2 and times this 2. So having 3 2 here, right? So this will be equal to 120. If you multiply, then you're going to get 120, or you put it in what index notation. It's the same answer, right? Sometimes maybe it will ask you to put it in index notation, right? So how many 2 have here? 1 2 3 3 2, right? We say 2 to the third power. Like I said, the order, or the order of arrangement is not important. We'll start with 3, we can start with 2, right? So 2 is, they appear 3 times here, right? So the 3 represent the 2 appear 3 times, right? Times 5 appear only 1 times, and 3 appear only 1 time, right? So this will be your answer 2, and this will also be your answer. So you can take either of them, right? Then we'll go to our last problem, which is what 80, right? So C is what 80. So we say which two numbers can multiply we get 80? We get 10 times 10 times 8, we get 80, or 40 times 2, right? But we don't want to use bigger number before it be longer. We can just use smaller number like 10 times 8, right? It's very easy. 10 times 8, easy to memorize if you know our timetable, right? So to get 10, same thing, another prime number, we say 2 times 5. 8 is another prime number, we say 4 times 2 or 2 times 4, anyone is the same. And send 2 5, they are prime number. 4 is not a prime number, right? So we draw a factor 3 on 4. If you like, you can bring the 4 first, you bring the 2 on the side, it doesn't matter, right? So this will be 2 times 2, right? So our next answer will be 2 times 5 times 2 times 2 times 2. So how many 2? 1 2 3 4. 1 2 3 4, right? Only 1 5, right? So if you put in the index, index notation, definitely going to have how many 2 have in here? 4, right? So get 2 to the 4th power times 5, right? So you can take this as your answer. If you multiply them, you're going to get 80, right? And if you multiply this, also you're going to get 80. So you can take this or this. So guys, thank you very much. This is our last question on our list, and don't forget to subscribe, touch on the notification bell for any upcoming videos. Thank you for your time, and study hard.